Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.3% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A US Treasury debt auction of $39 billion in benchmark 10-year notes was well received, showing solid investor demand even after a bond market sell-off driven by an escalating trade war between the United States and its major trading partners, led by China. Gold climbed more than 3% and was poised for its best day since March 2023, supported by a decline in the dollar and safe haven inflows amid escalating US-China trade tensions after Beijing announced more levies on US goods. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has partnered with MasterCard to issue crypto debit cards across the United Kingdom and Europe, the company announced. The partnership will enable the crypto exchange to expand its payment offerings by launching physical crypto debit cards.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index Core will be released at 12:30 GMT, the Austrian Industrial Production at 7 GMT, the US USDA WASDE report at 16 GMT. The Irish HICP will be released at 10 GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index at 10 GMT. The US Continuing Jobless Claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.